sweethearts of mine, how are you doing? How you does? How is your morning? How is your evening? How is your afternoon going? I don't know at what time you will be watching this video, but just know I'm so happy. You know why I'm so happy? Because it's another good day that the Lord has blessed it to me. Like I can breathe. I can breathe. I'm so like I have all the energy. I'm not sick. That's a gift, you know. My family, they are all well. Hopefully your family too is all nice. And if you're watching and if you have anything that's difficult in your life, just trust in God and everything will be okay. Is that it? So at first, if you're a new subscriber in this new channel, just welcome to Shikopa's channel, and Mikasa Sukasa Fe at home, you know. And for my returning subscribee, how much more can I just say? But just sending some love and kisses, because you've been the best thing that happened in my life, you know. Like each and every time you coming to check on how I'm doing, my vlogs, my videos, everything. I'm so happy, jeez. Hopefully you can see the happiness in me, you know. And then also I just want to thank you so much for the love that you showed me on the previous video that I did. God, let me just say thank you so much. I don't know how I can say it more, or in which much may way I can tell you thank you, but just knowing that may my God continue blessing you up with much and much more Wi-Fi and bundles, so that you can every time you can be watching my videos and also be well in your endeavors. You see, so on today's show, it's a show. Is it a show? Is it a vlog? Is it a what? Anything that you call just it. So I'll be cooking some breakfast, you know. So if you don't have something there, just make sure you have a snack, so that whenever you're eating, you can also eat, so that you won't feel the urge of eating, also regretting, and you don't have something, you see. So I'm going to cook something, and then you give you some tips on buying your girlfriend, your mother, your dad a gift on their birthday, happy birthday, you know. It reaches on their happy birthdays, and you're like, what am I going to give them? What am I going to give my mom? What am I going to surprise my dad? And I'll be giving you some tips, not tips, ideas, tips, gift ideas, that's the word. Gift ideas on which kind of a present that you can give them, and which is less than even 5,000, even less than 1,000 some. So stay tuned as we do it, as we roll it, as we say it here in my channel. It's our channel now. Kama kawa kama da, don't leave the channel. So let's do it. Sweethearts and besties, I didn't wash my. Who has got this problem of when you use something you don't wash it? I wish I was like, after like I'm cooking, I wash the plate. After I'm done eating, I wash the plate. Jeez, I always, when I'm like I'm so full, I feel that tiredness. I don't know, that boredom of even washing. And I always find myself, the time that I'm going to cook, that's the time I wash. Or the time that I'm going to take a bath, that's the time I wash my gymbals. So I have to wash my gymbals because I can't cook when I have some gymbals that are chafu. But they are less, you know, they are less. Not that much, you know. So I only have some kidogo, and so we're going to be washing them, and let's do it as I give you some tips on them. So let's first wash, and then when I'm cooking, I'll be giving you the tips.
Just spinning. I spent the last 2 weeks just spinning. Trying to work you out is killing. Ever since my heart's been missing.
So I'm done preparation of my breakfast. So I'm going to be telling you on tips that you can not tips, yeah, they are tips that you can use to surprise your girlfriend, your brother, your sister on their happy birthday times. So I've written them down here, and I'll be quick showing you as I eat some. It's so tasty, it's so delicious, you know. I love it. I love my breakfast. It's not that heavy and it's not that light. I got proteins. I don't know all this anyway. So on the first thing is if your lady does some vlogs or beauty, you can gift her a makeup box. You know, if you're dating a certain lady and she does mostly on she's on vlogs, and mostly she does on makeup tutorials, blah 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 blah, all those stuff, you can gift her. If she's your sister, you can gift her with a makeup box that that makeup box, it includes all things that are used on makeups, be all those stuffs. You can just gift her, and I guess it's not that much expensive. And if he or she does DIY, gift him that box that comes with all those stuffs for DIY. You know, they will have some spa, I don't know how those stuffs are called, but there is this box that entails all the DIY stuffs that are used in making of DIY. So that's another thing. If he does still the vlogging like this mine, you can gift him or her a microphone. If he doesn't have a microphone, you can gift her a ring light. If he or she doesn't have a ring light, be it a brother, be it a sister, be it someone that you're dating, you can just gift them with a ring light, a microphone, you know. And it's so cheap. It's not a microphone, it's around 2,000. The normal one, a ring light for the 10-inch, it's I guess for 4,000. You can just gift them with that. Anything that they don't have, or a tripod stand, it's roughly 700, you see. And that's a good gift. You know, she'll be so happy. She'll be so happy. Like, I don't have a microphone, and then you just gift him or her a microphone. Jeez, you can see the joy that you're going to bring into that person's life. It's so much nice. And then if he does car vlogging, you can take him or her into a car showroom, and then you'll be like, you know what, babe, just do your vlogging over here. You can just take him or her in a car vlogging showroom, I mean, and then you can see the amount, the prices. He or she can vlog on it, and it will be a happy day on their happy birthday. And look on what he or she keeps on saying, I would love to have that, and then buy it. You know when you're dating someone or your sister, and he or she keeps on saying, if I have money, I would really love to buy something that she keeps on saying, I want to buy this, I would really want to buy this. Even your mom, if he keeps on saying, like, you know, my mom kept on saying that I'd really love to have this duvet, that it's so warm, you know. And you know what, I made a surprise for her, and I really bought that duvet for her, and she felt very happy. You see, that thing that he or she keeps on saying, I would really love having it, just gift them. You can buy them artificial flowers, since they won't wither, chocolate or big teddy bears, or even a lasso. Jeez, you know, I prefer having these artificial flowers than the real flowers, because the real flowers, if you're not good at taking care of them, they're going to wither, you see. And something that you buy for someone, it should be like a reminder, you know. It's something precious. Watch out, bring for that person an artificial flower, and they'll feel so happy. That's for the ladies. A mom, you can gift them with that, or even a sister, or even gift them a lesson, you know. Like, a lesson, it's so important to one's life, mostly the lady's life, you know. Or even your mom, gift her either good lesso, and they'll be so happy, you see. And it's not even much. A good lesso, you can even get it at 300 shillings, you see. Ikipita sana 500 shillings, you see. That's a good deal. What do you think about it? Or even the big teddy bears, make sure you bring that for them. The other one is you can, for the girls, you can bring a girlish watch, a chain, a bangle, a handbag, or a shoe, you see. And for girls, you can bring that girlish watch. If it's for a man, surprise him with a manish watch. And if it's a bangle, bring that bangle. You know, these small things are the ones that are so important. Or even a shoe or a sandal, it's not that much expensive, and you really love it. And then you can also, for a man, you can surprise your man, your dad, your brother with a t-shirt, a set of handkerchiefs. You know, men mostly don't buy handkerchiefs. Like, that's true, because my dad, you find him, he's never buying a handkerchief. So if you surprise them with a set of handkerchiefs, that's much. And really having that something that you give someone on their happy birthdays, it means a lot. A set of handkerchiefs, sandals, or a belt, or even a watch. Or even you can bring a photo portrait with your pictures both intact. Like you can go to a photo studio, and then they can take a picture of you both. Or if you have got a picture of you both in your phone, you can go at a photo shoot studio, and then you can be it's laminated, and it becomes nice, and then you can present that photo to your loved ones. What do you think about it? And it's not even much expensive. I guess it's even less than 1,000, or if it goes more, it's 1,000 shillings, you see. And that's a very nice idea. And you can write them a letter, love. In that portrait, you can just come with a photo with the letter, love, and then you just write for them how you feel about them, their importance. And it's so nice, you know. And you open, it's a surprise, you open, you find it's your own picture, or you both pictures over there, and it has got a good message on it. Jeez, it's very awesome. Or even a notebook, or a set of pens, you see. This mostly I would go for the guys. For if you're a lady, you can surprise your man or your brother or your father with a set of notebook and a set of pens and a notebook, and that's so nice. The other thing is like if it's for a lady, that day make sure you take her to a nail parlor, let her do her own nails, let her do her own hairstyle that she wants. And if you're the lady, just take that person, or be it a brother, be it your dad, take him or her into a good barber shop, so that anyolewe vizuri, and make sure you pay for that bill. Jeez, you see, that's a good treat, and it doesn't mean you'll have all that money, but they will feel much nice and loved, you see. You can even surprise her with a cake, you know, surprise her with a cake, him or her with a cake, surprise them with a cake. And even that day you can cook with them together, something that you have never cooked ever before, and they will really love that, you know. If he loves more of nature, for me, like I love more of nature, take them to a animal orphanage, take them to a national park. If you love swimming, take that person to that swimming, and they will really feel appreciated, you see. And if that person does drawing, take them those those set of brushes that they use when they are drawing, and they really appreciate. Those are some of the ideas that I thought that they are beneficial, and they're less than even 1,000, or if they are more, it's not more than 5,000, that you can really surprise your loved ones, be it your mom, be it your dad, be it your sister, your brother. Make a smile to those people that you love, you see. Be it also a friend, anyone, just make us smile to them by those that I have said. So guys, I'm done for the vlog, so I'm just going to finish up eating, and till we meet again, same time, same hour. Remember to subscribe. Finya hapo ka red button kenye kako hapo. I would really love that. So it's a road to 5,000 subscribers. Guys, help me reach that 5,000 subscribers by you liking, by you commenting, by you sharing the video, and also downloading it. If you ain't in that time of seeing that video, you can just download it and then go check it on another place at home. If you're at work, you can just download it and go and watch it at work. And I really love you. Bye bye, ciao ciao, bello, bye, my loves.